Hey guys, hey Guru community, we have some freedom updates to share with you today. Firstly, thank you all for your participation and engagement in our recent AMA sessions. Your questions and feedback are invaluable, and we're committed to keeping the dialogue open and informative. But that is not all. We are excited to announce our upcoming brand new chatbots designed to provide instant support and guidance. They will help you navigate DeFi space more efficiently and answer your queries in real time. Over to our CEO, Evgeny, to tell you more.
And today we decided to do like a quick update instead of full scale AMA because there is a lot going on. We're releasing stuff, we publish an announcements every day, we figuring out stuff with partners and so on and so forth. So, uh, and you guys on Monday, not ready for AMA, 1 hour AMA, it's too much, but we will do it quick. Basically, last week we announced 7 days of announcements. I started on Wednesday. Right now it's like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Five done. Two more coming. And what's in there? What's in there? We continue the flow. We started even before LVP with different news, updates, uh, partnerships, and so on and so forth. And we continue this flow. We continue it with Chainlink news, how we integrated functions for those NFT collections, and so on, to orchestrate social share with minting mechanisms. And we did governance proposals and new partnerships and like token stuff, and all over it. We just continue this flow. In those 7 days, it's just much more intense. That's basically what we're saying here. And what was happening? Uh, First of all, we did uh, listing announcements, Bitmart, and then we had uh, announcement of our roadmap and where we go and so on, because there were a lot of questions on the community how you guys wanted to proceed, where your mission starts, and so on and so forth. And we did really long AMA on it, like explain all the products we plan, like testnet, mainnet, all that kind of stuff. Then we started delivering and introducing partnership with Conduit. It's basically base layer 3 roll up we partnering with. So, and we starting testnet like with them, like additional testnet to the one we have right now next week. And that partnership brings us to one step closer to Guru Network as base layer 3 and introducing us into ecosystem. And we already planning like how we would be having like bridged version of Guru on base, and that bridged version would be bridged onto our like base layer 3 as a native token and so on. So those are realization of those plans. We delivered on success. We said success coming in June, and we said success, multiple of them. We started with Bitmart. I don't know, like everyone, like why Bitmart? What, like we had Bitmart. Here is Bitmart. Then MaxC again. All the questions, like we creating liquid markets there for Guru token because it's utility token for services, which would be rising from community of builders across our ecosystem. That's the goal. Creating liquid markets. That's basically you want to be everywhere. MaxC, and this is like 7 days of announcements. Then huge update for V2 Dex Guru, showing you like new possible stuff in there, as well as we are preparing for the main stuff be released before we swap it to Dex Guru itself. And this is related to better functionality in the Web3 automation section, where like you have flow, so it's actually would be working and community would be able to contribute there. The second thing is I would go a little bit further down the line. It's around context switching and AI processors and so on using this product. Again, Squid partnership. That's a great partnership which we released like yesterday on Sunday. That's another announcement, right? And Squid partnership, I'm summing it up like the best. I know that was pre-teaser for the community in Discord. again, if you want to be updated, subscribe to Discord, subscribe in Telegram. Sometimes we posting something there and something. But here, how we see how Subsquid helps Guru Network and Guru Network helps Subsquid. We are connecting the dots here. We and Subsquid. Guru Network is multi-chain AI Web3 orchestration layer, and Subsquid is multi-chain data layer with decentralized infrastructure under the hood and system of incentives for everyone who provides this infrastructure. So it's very natively that we kind of partner on it, and we already talked about it like since February when we've met on East Denver, where I was basically speaking on open data event or something. So this is a long brewed partnership we're declaring here, and now it allows us to expand the inventory of chains we support on EVM side as well as non-EVM side like Solana and stuff, and all those data with decentralized proof from Subsquid and everything could be fed to our autonomous AI agents which run on our network and orchestrated on our network to provide better results, less hallucinations, and so on and so forth. So this is very crucial partnership, and it sums it all. And more coming. We have more announcements coming, so we would keep you posted. It's all about the same topics like token, partnerships, new feature releases. And regarding new feature releases, this is our price chart, right? Everyone asking about that. Have you seen the markets lately? Like, no? Okay. But we okay with it. We continue building. That's why we came from our comfy place and B2B scene where you servicing like company back to retail scene, because Guru Network idea is big, and that's a retail focused idea. We want to grow ecosystem of products which not developed by us but developed by Guru builders. And again, Guru builders, everyone welcome to participate. See Guru builders channel on Discord and so on. So this is like a teaser of what's coming in nearest future. It's functionality we already have on our Block Explorer, where you have ChatGPT agent helping you to figure out what's going on those dashboards. So we first step, we porting it into dashboards which are on V2 Dex Guru, and it works in the same way initially, but then we sharing. Oh, there is my video actually overlaying everything. Hold on, and I'll make it smaller. Sorry. That's interesting. That's another teaser, by the way. But here we have these chats, and the idea, like, to every page or dashboard you creating a threads, and you can manage those threads. There is centralized chat storage which is accessible by NFT you minted, and it's shareable across all the ecosystem products. So for example, you're on V2 Dex Guru, or you're on our Block Explorer, everywhere it would be the same kind of context with the same charts, and you can add on your own research on all those pages. And sharing with ecosystem projects, we talking right now with PixelPack, so they would integrate the same charts on their side, so those would be available, and like cross-sharing of context. We are talking about that context of idea and narratives that of Guru season NFT as a service account with Guru Network, which is shared across ecosystem products. That's what it is. You have your own like NFT, and that's a key to your contexts everywhere where you go. And again, right now it's that context is in there is centralized, right? But we see how we can make it decentralized, so it could be non-custodially stored on your own device and so on. So that's why we're talking about non-custodial Web3 execution, non-custodial data storage for AI agents, and so on and so forth. So here are quick updates. Ask us any questions on anything. We continue our announcements and Go Gurus and so on. We are building non-stop and delivering more news.
Thank you, Evgeny. Let's have a quick look on what's new on V2Dex Guru. Thank you for your interest. So we appreciate your time and engagement in our very quick AMA update and huge chatbot announcement. Your continued support and feedback are the driving force behind our innovations and improvements. Make sure to explore our latest features for a smoother, more efficient experience on Dex Guru V2. Stay connected, and we will deliver more exciting updates and developments. Until next time, happy training and thank you for being an integral part of the Guru community. Your support drives us to keep innovating and enhancing your experience. We will see you around.